And news coming in, actor Shah Rukh Khan's son, Aryan, his police custody has been extended for another 3 days. Aryan Khan spoke to his lawyer Satish Manishinde in court trying to understand the proceedings is what we are being told. We are also being told that Munmun Dhamecha, she broke down in court when custody was extended by another 3 days because yesterday we were told the impression was that impression that was given out was NCB wanted their custody only for 24 hours, would not want it for more. Again, both Satish Manishinde and Arbaz Merchant's lawyer, they claim that nothing was recovered from these accused. Subsequent recovery was made, but not from these individuals. So whether it is Aryan or Arbaz or Munmun Dhamecha, Aryan Khan, Arbaz Merchant or Munmun Dhamecha, no recovery was made from them. They did not even board the cruise liner. They were not going on that visit. They had been intercepted earlier, is what the legal officials on their team are saying. I quickly want to cut across to India Today's Divyesh Singh for more on this big story. Divyesh, from what officials of the NCB indicated, that WhatsApp chats indicated, pictures indicated a wider nexus. The lawyers are saying there is no wider nexus. There was nothing that was found on their person. They had not boarded the cruise liner and their custody is being sought only to confront them with the other accused who have now been arrested.
Yeah, right, Gaurav. As of now, we've learned that while the accused were being produced in court, arguments happened from both sides, and prosecution stated that they want the custody extended of Aryan Khan, Arbaz Merchant and Munmun Dhamecha for the next 5 days. They had sought custody till the 11th of October, but the court, after hearing arguments from both sides, extended the custody only till 7th of October. But the court has relied upon NCB's statement, NCB's argument that the arrested accused need to be confronted with the newly arrested accused, with the accused who have been arrested now by the NCB, who have been arrested today by the Narcotics Control Bureau. Remember, this morning also the Narcotics Control Bureau conducted searches and raids on the cruise liner, following which 8 persons were detained, 8 persons are being examined, and it is suspected that some of the organizers of the event that was happening on board this ship, on board this cruise liner, have also been detained, as informed in court by the prosecution.
But explain this.
Come to light that
what is Satish Manishinde? What did he say in court about the contents of Aryan Khan's mobile phone? From what NCB officials were telling India Today reporters on ground, there are some WhatsApp chats that indicate a link. There are some photographs that are critical. What are those photographs? What is the content of these WhatsApp chats? All of this admissible as evidence in court.
Gaurav, there are WhatsApp chats that have been retrieved from Aryan Khan's phone, Aryan Khan's mobile phone, and that is while retrieving those WhatsApp chats, there were several messages which were analyzed by the Narcotics Control Bureau officials, and they found that Aryan had been in touch with some of the drug peddlers. He had communicated with several people regarding procurement of drugs, regarding consumption of drugs. They've also found transactional details. They have found transactions which are suspected to have been carried out with drug peddlers for procurement of drugs, for buying drugs. So that is what was pointed out by the prosecution. Satish Manishinde, who was appearing for Aryan Khan, stated that these WhatsApp chats are of past. They are, some are even 3 years old, when he was not even in India. He was not in the country. So this case cannot happen. This cannot be considered as evidence in this case.
Stay with me for a moment. What about the other accused in this case? And we will talk about them in greater detail. But for the moment, I just want our viewers to bring them up to speed with the latest. So as of now, no relief for Shah Rukh Khan's son Aryan Khan. Mumbai court has denied bail to Aryan Khan in this drug case. The court has extended Aryan Khan's NCB custody till the 7th of October. The court hearing both cases, it's needed. The NCB is saying they want custodial interrogation. Now, during the hearing, NCB said that they found incriminating evidence in Aryan's mobile phone in form of pictures. NCB also said that there are chats of procurement of drugs in bulk on Aryan's phone. Now, defending Aryan Khan, advocate Satish Manishinde in court said, 1. Aryan has no contact with the organizers or the ship owners. 2. No substance was found in his possession. 3. Satish Manishinde argued that NCB has downloaded Aryan's chats and linked it to an international drug racket. There is no connection. At the same time, he was studying abroad.